I think I'm going to start referring to the scientific method as, instead of calling it scientific inquiry, I think I'm going to call it natural inquiry. I know that term kind of harkens back to the original feelings that the earliest scientists had, being called the natural scientists and natural historians and all the like. The reason I want to do this is that the idea of science, and for some reason the word science has kind of a feeling of being the domain of humanity in my mind. That it's something, the scientific method, the scientific inquiry is something that we came up with to describe the world around us. And I know that that's kind of a narrow way to look at it, but I like a more broader term of natural inquiry, which seems to give credit to where I think credit is due, to the natural world for being the original natural investigator. The nature has been doing this precise thing for a very long time. In terms of, if you imagine the scientific inquiry, the scientific method being to formulate an idea and then put it to the test, and then reject it if it fails, and proceed and try a new idea out, and if it works, then make use of it as long as it can continue to hold its own. That's exactly what nature does. All of these creatures, animals, these cicada whirring in the trees around me, all of them are examples of basically success. Efforts that have been made, tried, proven to be working, and are succeeding. And they will continue as long as their success is viable, as long as there are viable solutions. When they're not, they'll be weeded out and rejected. And along the way, lots of creatures, lots of designs, lots of new modifications to the genetic code will come about, which will be rejected outright. So nature's been doing this type of critical distinction for such a long time. It only seems to make sense to call the process natural inquiry rather than scientific inquiry. So I'm going to go ahead and start using that term, and with recognition to the original process, which seems to be inherent to everything that is green, growing, and producing and passing life on. There goes a giant hornet, right up there. Can you see it? What is it doing up there? A nice example of natural inquiry leading to a success story. Bye-bye, everybody.